Hello, today I will show you how to change NVIDIA graphics settings in Wukong the Black Myth. First open the main menu. While in the main menu, go into the settings. In settings, go to the, of course, graphics settings, and right here are NVIDIA full ray tracing settings. You can toggle this option on or off. While it is on, you can choose between several preset values for full ray tracing levels. Of course, the higher the better. When you're happy with the choices, simply tap return. It will ask you to confirm the changes, simply tap apply. Tap return once more, and you're right back in the game. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.